Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. And if you're new, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post. I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and sometimes Friday specials. So in today's video, about a month ago, actually 2 months ago, I'm just thinking about a song of about a month ago, I sent you a DM. Okay, so about 2 months ago, I made this video right here that was talking about how to bake without an oven. That generated me an insane amount of views. Okay, it's not a million. It's not even 100,000. Neither is it 1K. But it's a lot. So anyways, so today we are going to bake another cake without an oven still, only that this time we're going to use salt instead of steaming. We're going to use this other method of using sand, but instead you're going to use salt. So, if you want to go with me on this journey of bakery, please follow along, sit, strap in, for it's going to be a bumpy ride. And I want to really bake a small cake. I want to bake a really small cake, so yeah, I hope this takes me less time. Now let me shut up and concentrate, because this is a whole lot of work. Okay? We start off with some butter, which I don't know what people call it, but me I call it butter, which is margarine. I'm going to use one really big spoon. These are 4 spoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of sugar. And the aim is to beat this until it all becomes what? Until it all mixes without crystals, of which I rarely do that. But I'm gonna try. Let me get my mixer. Found my mixer. Again, I'm going to sit down, honestly. I cannot do this while standing and it becomes perfect. So please, let me sit down. Okay.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same.
After a good amount of beating, I finally gave up and added in eggs the way it was.
Just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good.
I mixed all my dry ingredients, that is the flour, the baking powder, then I added in some mixed spices and set them all together into the egg, butter, sugar mixture. Sieving is really important because it makes I'm not sure, but it's important.
Can get away with it, cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me.
Then this nice dough came about and I added in strawberry. It's still the only flavor I have right now, and I measured using my hands, okay, using my eyes. But it's 1 teaspoon could be enough. And then you mix it all together and make a really fine dough, fine good looking dough. And here it is. Then I added in some milk, which I forgot to show you. Then you grease your pan. This is me greasing my pan because I do not have baking paper. And add in your dough and you're ready to bake.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same.
So this is the salt that we're going to be using. It's already on the charcoal. It's heating up. You have to make sure it is heated up before you put in your cake. Okay, put in your dough because now it's not yet cake. So it should be really, really hot. This is me trying it out. My fingers, though, they got burned, but I still stuck with it. And I added in a small stand. You don't want to put the pan right on the salt because it can burn easily. So just put in a stand, or you can put stones, small stones, for the pan to sit on very well. And cover it tightly. Yeah, figured that would do better. And then add some pieces of charcoal on top. Make sure the fire under is not really a lot. And fast forward 30 minutes later and my cake is already ready. Just 30 minutes. Wow. See? Even used the spoon method, fork method. If it comes out dry, then the cake is ready. Boom! Boom, boom, boom. Oh my goodness. Oh Christ Jesus. Oh good. No good. No good. This smells so nice. Oh my god. Look. Look. You know, it has a texture of a cake. Honestly, this, I'm shook. Like shook. Totally shook. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, by the way, this a friend of mine taught me how to do this. She's called Marinovi. I'll leave a link to her channel in my description. Just check her out. And Marin, if you ever watch this, I'm a great student. Really, really great student. But anyway, so. Oh my god. And I won't be able to ice this because right now it's going to be done. So you're not getting the icing, but neither am I. My god. Oh my god. My god. Guys, look. This is so far the best cake I've made. Like the best. Oh Christ Jesus.
Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my
It's dry. I'm kind of choking. But I should have wasn't enough. And it's just good. Apart from that, it is good. Oh my god. So, thanks for sticking by. If you get to make this, please let me know. Tell me how it came out for you. And thanks for watching. Make sure to give this a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, should I give you a piece of cake so that you can subscribe? Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye. Let me go and enjoy my cake. Oh, good.